Hi guys, today we're gonna open Ryan's toy. Ryan, let's open it. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, we're opening it. Okay. Okay, hello. We're almost done, guys. There's a layer na. There's a layer. There's Paddy. There's tattoo. There's micro figurine. There's figurines. May figurine lang. I cannot open it. There we go. Okay, there's layers. Let's open the first one. What is this? This is so cute. I can open it. Little hell.
Yun lang laman, be.
Hindi, meron pa yun. I-stack pa yan.
Okay. Bigyan mo ito.
Okay, can you open it, please?
Sorry,
Okay. See what is inside. We have the Karate Ryan. Karate Ryan.
What's that?
It's a karate. Karate Ryan.
Yan.
Wow. Wow.
Is that Ryan?
Yes. This is mini Ryan.
It's a Ninja Ryan.
Okay, let's open this.
Oh.
We have a big
Ito mo pag ginaganon mo.
Is this stickers? I think this is tattoo.
That's another
tattoo.
layer.
This is a tattoo, guys. A tattoo and
Tattoo. Another tattoo.
yeah, I think so. Yes. Now let's open this big one, and we have some collection here.
Collection.
That's not it. That's not it. Another collection. We have so many toys.
Now open.
This one. I think that is it. We have this one.
Hindi naman nakakita.
Black one. Black
Wow,
Ninja
it's a
Ryan.
big
This is a daddy
Ryan.
Ninja Ryan, and this is the baby Ninja Ryan. Karate. Whoa! It also have a silver sword.
Oh,
So
that's
cool.
cool.
So cute.
No, it's not the right thing to do.
And this one too. There you go.
So,
Now let's open
And
the
this
next layer, guys. Yeah. We have the potty.
what's that?
Mystery potty. Let's open it. What color should we get? I don't know what color are we gonna get. Mommy, guess a color. Guess a color, Mommy.
Color?
Yes. Because this is
What's that ba?
it's a putty. It's a putty. Like a slime, ganun nga. Pero it's not like sticky. Can you open it? We have lucky ones. Is this a rare? Rare? Wait. Let me check. Oh, Mom! My God! Look at this, guys. Okay. What color? I think it's silver. I mean, I think it's gold. How about
How
you?
many layers are there in...
4. Okay. There's another layer.
So, wala na.
Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. So, what is inside this? Okay. What color do you think, Mommy? What color do you... Ay! Where's
it's
his
purple.
sword? You think it's purple? I think it's gold. Black. We got black for black. Matchy matchy. Have black and
What is
black.
that for?
This is like trapping putty. Putty. It's a putty. Open it. You might bite this, okay? You be careful, Mom.
Yeah. What's that?
It's a putty. I cannot. Yeah. It's a putty.
It's really like slime.
Yes, it looks like slime. Oh, it feels like slime. It's a putty. Okay. Okay. If you don't know putty. Okay, I'm gonna take it all out. Wow, you're coloring this. So this is the putty that I'm getting. Let's get the putty first. Second we're gonna do is to play with it. I mean put some tattoo. It looks like Venom when he's spider webbing. Whoa! Hey, I'm almost done, guys. It's done. Now we can trap him. Trap him. Ah! He's all covered.
I see.
We can try. Ah! It's a falling rain. It's a acid rain.
Are you happy with that?
Yes. Thank you, Mommy. Because it's almost my birthday. It's like 8 clogs. 8 clogs left.
Advanced birthday gift.
This is from Daddy. Okay, I'm trapping him, guys. Look, guys, he's all black. Okay, now let's untrap him. Untrap with his sword. Bam. Okay. Put this on. I will save you. And tap it, tap it, tap it. He's all clean. Okay. Are we gonna try to put some putty, guys? I want to put some putty. Putty. I think you need cold water. So we have some putty here. Ew. We have some stickers and some tattoo. Sticker and tattoo. And we have this black ninja.
You want to try the tattoo?
Yes.
Or do you want to put it?
I'm gonna put it right here. Let's do the tattoo, guys. But
Don't put water in the lamp.
what?
Don't put water.
Okay. Okay, so yes, that's all for today's video, guys.